on. Hopefully the lighting isn't too bad for you guys. I'm so sorry, but it is like honestly the most gloomiest day ever. I've got a little bit of light coming in from the side, but I can't get one here because if you don't know, I've got the most awfulest bedroom and I've got 2 plug sockets in my bedroom. I live in an old sandstone house, so I think that's what it is. I definitely need extra plugs. But anyways, for those that are here for the mystery unboxing, I'm gonna get on with it. This is the Secret Sales. I'm addicted to this Secret Sales website. And I got asked in one of my previous videos, would I actually do one of the Beauty Focus men's ones? And I said, I don't think I would, but I am actually going to because I've got a couple of boys' birthdays in March, so I'm going to buy one. Hopefully, maybe I'll get some gifts. So there will be a male's version coming soon. But this is the £40 mystery Valentine's Day edition. Now this is meant to be worth £80. This is from the website Secret Sales. I have always unboxed the Beauty Focus brand ones, but this isn't a Beauty Focus brand ones. This is just like a £45 mystery box. So fingers crossed this is good. But all the Beauty Focus brand ones they do, I'll have them all linked down below for you in the description box below, have been amazing. But in anyways, this is the £45 Valentine's Day one. I'll have that as the first link. Let's see if it's worth £45. It says it could have various brands, so we'll just have to see. I can see LMS. I'm thinking, is these things going to be Valentine's Day related? First thing we've got here is a nail polish, and this is from OPI. And what a beautiful shade this is. This is in the shade Tiramisu for 2. I barely use nail polish, but I do like nail polish. No word of a lie, I've just tried 5 minutes to try and get into this and I cannot. I've even cut into it with this. I can't get into this, so we're just going to have to look at the shade like this and hopefully you won't get too much reflection. But it is a beautiful, like a very pale brown. Not even brown, like a brown, mix between a brown and a nude, like a Bailey's tiramisu colour, not tiramisu, Tia Maria Bailey's type of shade. Really nice, actually. I love this sort of shade, so I'm happy with that. Yeah, I love nail polish, I love stuff like that, so I'm not complaining about that. I will say there's not a lot in this box for £45, so I'm kind of a little bit gutted. Right, the next thing we've got is a L'Oreal product. And this is a lipstick. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it's in beautiful like Valentine's Day packaging. It doesn't say whether it's matte or not. I'm going to see if we can get it to where it'll open. So very cutesy Valentine's Day packaging. I love that it is. And oh, dearie me, look at this. It is lots of little red hearts. It looks like it's not a matte. I'm going to swatch it because I do like a red. I do like a red lipstick, but I've just remembered I can't stand the smell of L'Oreal lipstick. When I actually wear them, they knock me a little bit sick. Do any of you have that problem? But it is stunning, and that is what the shade looks like. There, I will try and wear it and see if I can get past the scent, but yeah, there's something about L'Oreal lipsticks. So we've got that's 2 products up now. We've got another thing here, which is a lip liner, and it is from Barry M, and I'm not going to try and open this packaging. It looks like, it really honestly looks like a brow pencil. For how long it took me getting that lipstick, really looks like my sort of shade in a lip liner for like a 90s lip. I actually really like it. If I've managed to open it after this video goes live, I'll put a swatch there. But I am going to double check I haven't got something very similar. But yeah, I love that shade. And that shade is in, but it's like a pencil liner. We've got something from the Aroma Active brand. This brand here, I feel like I've had stuff from this brand before. This is the SOS Stomach Massage Oil, formulated for a relaxing abdominal massage. It's got peppermint, palmarosa and lemon. Do you think you could use it on other parts of your body, or do you think it would be good for scars? Because I've got like 3 quite good chunky scars on my stomach after my operation. It says lightly squeeze the tube to dispense the oil, gently massage onto the skin of the stomach area, slowly moving the roller ball. Oh, so it must have a roller ball. It must have a roller ball. Let's have a look. That's different, isn't it? Do you think it's got a theme, like a massage oil, because it's, oh, it is oily and oh, you can hear it. Because it's, you know, Valentine's Day, like we're getting a red lip. Oh, wow, yeah, it's got like roller balls in. Okay. Wait, I will try that because I like how it's got that on it and you're not actually having to use like your hands. And I will try that on my scars. Oh, we've got something from Bondi Sands. It is, I do really like Bondi Sands tan. It's like one of my favourite tanning brands. It is the Self Tan Foaming Water Ultra Dark. I've never, not since I learned to fake tan, because part of your beautician course, you've got to learn to fake tan with a mitt. And that was a long time ago, years. I haven't used this sort of tan since like then. It says clean, simple, transparent. Oh, that's, you know, transparent. Pure Bronze Ultra Dark Self Tan Foaming Water combines our iconic bronze glow with skin lowering hyaluronic acid for hydration, vitamin C for radiance, and vitamin E for repair. If any of you have used this, is this easy, or is this something I'll just give to my niece? Because honestly, I am like a noob now with fake tan. Like, I can't remember the last time, like it was a while ago, you know. And I haven't used this sort of fake tan in a long time. But Bondi Sands is not a cheap brand. Right, this is my last product. And it is, I don't know how much it costs, so I think it could be pricey. Should we actually have a look? One product here actually costs £33. This is the Elemis Superfood Berry Boost Mask. It's got bilberry, blackcurrant, grape. It says it mattifies, purifies and balances. This is what it looks like here. I actually think I've got a mini of this, so I'm not actually going to touch this because I feel like I've got a mini of it. I'd rather open my mini, see if I like it before I open this one. But this is what it looks like. I love the packaging. Very cute for Elemis. Yeah, I do love the packaging. So I'm going to run through everything again and I'll kind of get a price on them. So we got this, the Elemis Berry Mask, £33. Then we got the Bondi Sands Self Tan Foaming Water. This is really like coming up really reasonable, and it seems to be on sales and stuff between £7 and £10. Okay, so on the Secret Sales website for the L'Oreal lipstick itself is £8, but then L'Oreal lipsticks range between 9 and 10 on other websites, but this one itself is on Secret Sales website and then it is on Amazon as well. But this, I feel like this year's limited edition Valentine's Day ones are ranging for £10. I think this is like a previous year. And I think OPI full-size nail polishes are about 10, but looking on here, you can get them at the minute on sale between 7 but to 14. I can't believe they are actually 14 when they're not on sale. They used to be like 10 when I used to buy them. Barrier lip liners, what are they, like £3.50? Let's have a look, see. £3.50, so yeah, I was about right. And then we've got this is like £7. So honestly, like, this I just don't feel very good. I was so excited about this, but I really think like compared to their other boxes that were the same price, this was a bit of a dud, if I'm not gonna lie. Now granted, this is a mystery box, so I could have an absolutely rubbish box, but you could get an absolutely amazing box. Yeah, I just don't think it's as good as their other £45 boxes. If you look at my unboxing playlist, you'll see. But we did get the Aroma Active Massage Oil, an OPI nail polish, a lipstick, the Elemis. I think that's really the only like ding ding product, you know. The lip liner and then the Bondi Sand. But honestly, I feel like I've been bumped. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like yeah, I probably would have returned this if I could. That's how bad I feel about this box. It's a bit of a dud for a Valentine's Day mystery box, not gonna lie. But we got it, and anyways, I got it so I can show it to you guys so you can decide whether you think it's worth it or not. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and anyways, it's a bit of a fail, isn't it? Oh, Secret Sales. I've had my first dud Secret Sales mystery box. I'm a bit good about it, I'm not gonna lie. But I hope you've enjoyed this video, and anyways, is there any other mystery box from Secret Sales that you would like me to unbox? If so, please comment down below. Please let me know. I will be doing the Beauty Focus men's one if they're still available in February, because that's when I'll be purchasing them. And yeah, so keep an eye out for that. I hope you've enjoyed it. And anyways, if you haven't already, please subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one with hopefully a better one. Bye!